Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges internationally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial aspects. Swipe tokens associate with significant installments frameworks all around the world and assist organizations with changing their digital currency over completely to stable coins or fiat-supported cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance Shrewd Chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with an expect to make crypto interoperability with customary money, and it was subsequently gained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has mostly three parts: the fundamental organization which, first and foremost, creates check cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so forth. Besides Binance, the primary partners collaborated to bring advancements. Swipe biological system, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and finally its clients. Special elements of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the local digital money of the Swipe. It controls a SXP environment and administers the decentralized convention. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making proposition and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay north of 60 million shippers overall and used to partake in liquidity mining programs. Market opinions and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a greatest stockpile of 239,612,084 SXP. The most exorbitant cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized examination shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign arrangement, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value skips and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September. 7 is the dull day of the crypto market. The whole digital money market has plunged, breaking every one of the expectations. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The ongoing cost of Swipe coin is around $1.27. The following quick opposition level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an obstruction level of $2.35. The significant obstruction obstacle for the year is $3.52. Transient specialized examination shows that Swipe digital currency needs to break the $1.80 opposition level to arrive at the Swipe cost in the $2-3 territory, according to examination. $3.52 is going about as a significant opposition level to enroll another high of Swipe. Yet it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards, despite the fact that it gave monstrous benefit for financial backers somewhat recently. Last month a moderate misfortune booked. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the energy soon. The cost of Swipe is moving beneath its 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA dread and veracity record is set at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Cryptographic money fans or don't know about the Swipe risk shows that the token is a marvelous long-haul speculation decision. In view of the examination, the cost might arrive at a greatest degree of $6.15 by 2027. On the off chance that dealers put resources into the coin today for a long time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. The Swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment, as indicated by the past value developments and information. The greatest cost level for 2022 can be around $2.18 with a base cost and the typical cost of $1.83 and $1.89. The crypto market is very developing and the costs of SXP tokens will likewise fill from now on. It can arrive at a most extreme value level of $12.68 continuously 2027. while the typical cost is supposed to be $11. The swipe cost conjecture for what's in store is extremely bullish. On the off chance that the coin can break huge mental obstruction levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another untouched high. It is a success and an extraordinary cryptographic money accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, continuously finishing itself assuming worldwide prompts are in favor. Brokers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an inescapable piece of the crypto space for financial backers who will face challenges. SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe value expectation 2022. The SXP figure for 2022 proposes that the cost could be around $1.63 initially. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The greatest cost for the year end is gauged to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment definitely in the year 2022 according to the gauge. Consequently, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe value forecast 2023. SXP cost forecast shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a greatest scope of $3 to $4 with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the figure, the SXP cost is great for the year. In the event that the digital currency market is bullish, swipe can break the most extreme cost around the same time. Swipe value expectation 2024. Our conjecture shows that swipe will break the $5.56 opposition level and make an unequaled high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous merchants might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated way. And our SXP token gauges show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the least cost of the coin in 2024. SXP value gauge 2025. 5 years down the line, colossal turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make a tremendous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our gauges show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul speculation. SXP value expectation 2026. Specialized arrangement demonstrates the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $7.23 minus $8.95, constantly finishing. Swipe has a long-haul procuring potential. It deals with quality upgrades to offer better support and benefits for all the stage clients. Swipe, according to the ongoing valuation, is underestimated and will have a decent climb as long as possible. Is swipe a wise venture? Indeed, swipe is a beneficial speculation choice according to our cost expectations. Continuous turns of events. Their solid potential in the crypto space and blockchain industry show that SXP will have a cost ascend from here on out. According to current information, it is viewed as a wise venture. Virtual monetary standards have a flightiness over government